Hey everybody, what's going on? J3 here. I'm doing some modifications, I guess you could say, revamping my YouTube channel a little bit. Changing the name up just a little bit, but you know, it's still going to be same style of content, just kind of upgraded a little bit, hopefully. Pardon me if you can't hear. I think you should be able to hear me alright with the cat mic. I don't have the other mic on right now. Just trying to reformulate my channel to try to see if I can make it get out there better, get viewed better. Trying to get a bit more excitement going on, especially when I talk to the camera. A lot of times I can be kind of monotone. I kind of treat the camera like a camera as opposed to just treating it like another person talking to it. Thanks for everybody who has subscribed to this channel already. My goal is to get this thing boosted, get it going. I want to get to 1,000 subscribers, get this thing monetized, start getting going with it, you know. It's definitely a dream of mine. I see it happening all over the platform with people, and I see why it's happening for them, because their personality and their content is engaging. You know, I think my content's pretty good, but I just got to get more engaging with the storytelling, personality, and all that kind of stuff. Instead, just have fun, enjoy this beautiful creation that God's created, and go with the flow. This is the diary, and J3 films it. Welcome to my diary. Packed up here today. Happy 4th, everybody. Here's my inspiration right here. Alright guys, this right here is Blake.
You're watching J3 TV, subscribe and like.
That's right, that's right.
Let's go.
Blake's the man right there, that's a man. See, you might give me subscribers though. Your pretty face might get me all followed.
Yeah. I'll break the camera.
Right. Alright, just getting done at Boulder. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. It's an awesome time up here on the Boulder Canyon River. Never a dull day. So, subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.